Here's this new American Standard Silver Series air conditioner. This replaced a 2001 York Olympian 5-ton air conditioner. Here's this 2008 Trane XB13 unit. Working good. This one just turned off, as you just heard. There's all the guts back there. Pretty sure this has a Trane branded LG scroll compressor, but I'm not 100% sure. This one has a Climatouch scroll. I would wait around for this one to start back up, but I don't have my tripod and my GoPro with me. But yeah, this is a brand new Trane or American Standard Silver Series central air conditioner at a bank.